Right, good morning viewers. We will be solving the quadratic equation by the quadratic formula. Yeah, then the formula will be, I'll show you how we get that formula. But for now, we are interested in how to use it. The quadratic formula, we have our equation in standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is our standard form, where a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and then c is the constant. So your quadratic formula, let me write here, x will be equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Right, I will show you how we arrive at this formula by the method of completing the square. So now, with these three examples, number one, x squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Solve for x by the quadratic formula. Right, our a, you first identify your a is equal to the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. Your b is 5. Your c is the constant, which is 6. Right. Now, your duty now is just to substitute in the formula. Where there's an a, you put 1. Where there's a b, you put 5. Where there's a c, you put 6. So this implies our x must be equal to minus b. b is 5, so it's minus 5 plus or minus the square root of b squared is 5 squared minus 4 times a is 1. Then c is 6. Right, all this must be over 2a, 2 times 1. Right, now from here, it's minus 5 plus or minus the square root of, this is 25, minus, this is 24, all over, that is 2. So finally, it's minus 5 plus or minus 25 minus 1 minus 24 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. All over 2. So your answer now, therefore, x must be equal to minus 5 plus 1 is going to be 6. Minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2. All minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6 divided by 2. You get your x equal to minus 3. That is correct. X equal to minus 2 or x equal to minus 3. All right. That is how you use your quadratic formula. Right, going to solution number 2. Going to solution number 2. Going to solution number 2, x squared minus 9 equal to 0. So identifying our a is 1, our b is equal to, there's no coefficient of x here, so it's 0. Then our c is equal to minus 9. So we substitute x equal to minus b, it implies a 0. Minus 0 is just 0. Plus or minus the square root of b squared, b is 0 here. Minus 4, a is 1. C is minus 9. So all over 2 times 1. So equal to 0. I can now leave 0. I cannot continue having a 0. Then this side also I will leave a 0. Then I will say minus 4 times minus 9, which is equal to 36. So the square root of 36 over 2. So equal to plus 36 divided by, plus root 36 divided by 2. Root 36 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Or minus root 36, which is minus 6 divided by 2, which is minus 3. So our answer is plus or minus 3. That is the answer here. All right. The next one, the last one. The last one. This one, you first need to write it in standard form. So the standard form is going to be, this implies 5x squared. You take 11x that side. Take minus 2 that side. It becomes positive. Each time you change, take it to the next other side, it changes sign. So this is now in standard form. And our A is 5, our B is minus 11, our C is 2. So that means our x is going to be equal to minus B. It means minus this negative, then the negative. So minus 11, like that. Plus or minus the square root of B squared, B is minus 11. So you square it, minus 4, our A is 5. Then our C is 2. But all this must be must be above 2A, which is 2 times 5. All right?